Today we're going to check to see why the carbonator pump doesn't fill the carbonator tank. Our first check is to see if the pump is running. If the pump isn't running, please go to the video now that explains how to check the probe. Is the motor making any noise? If yes, unplug the carbonator, remove the clamp that holds the pump to the motor. Can you turn the pump by hand? If no, replace the pump. To replace the pump, you must unplug the carbonator and turn off the water and CO2 before you begin. If you can turn the pump by hand, check the motor to see if it spins freely. If the motor doesn't spin freely, replace the motor.
For further assistance, contact Multiplex at 1-844-724-2273.